Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about some of the different parts of a sentence. The different words used in a sentence, they each have a different name for that kind of word. So today we're going to be talking about subjects. The subject is what your sentence is about, okay? So it's the naming part. It tells what you're talking about or who you're talking about. So the subject, every sentence has to have a subject. So we're going to read some of these sentences, and we're going to see if we can figure out what the subject is, what the sentence is about, what they're talking about, or who they're talking about, okay? Who's doing the action. So let's think of these. You need to get this out of your packet and get your name on the top. And then we're going to look at these sentences and think about what the sentence is about, what the subject is. All right, I'm going to read each sentence to you, and we're going to draw a line under the part of the sentence that names what it's about, what the subject is. So let's look at number 1. This sentence says, the dog chews a bone. Who or what is that sentence talking about? The dog. The dog is the one who's doing the action. He's chewing a bone. So that sentence is about the dog. So dog is the subject of that sentence. So we're going to find that word and draw a line under it. Dog is what that sentence is about. Let's look at number 2. This sentence says, Sarah sleeps. All right, Sarah sleeps. So who or what is that sentence about? Sarah. She's the one doing the action, isn't she? She's sleeping. So we're going to draw a line under Sarah. Sarah is the subject of that sentence. It's who or what we are talking about in that sentence. Let's look at number 3. The children like to slide. Who or what is that sentence talking about or telling us about? The children. Children is the subject of that sentence. The children like to slide, so it's telling us what the children like to do. So children would be the subject of that sentence. All right, you're going to do this last part on your own. We've been doing this together, but I want you to think of a sentence. It can be a short sentence, a long sentence, and you're going to write it, and then you're going to decide what the subject of your sentence is, who or what is your sentence about, and you're going to draw a line under the word that tells the subject. So I'm going to do one as an example, and then you're going to come up with your own, okay? I'm going to write, I'm going to write my baby crawls fast. Period. Now let's think about that. Who or what is that sentence about? My baby. So I'm going to underline baby. The baby is the subject. I'm telling you that she can crawl fast. So baby is the subject of my sentence. So I want you to think of your own sentence, write it, and then think about what your subject is and draw a line under the word that tells your subject. Good luck.